So in previous class we have seen some examples of alkane. So could you recall few points? What are alkanes? Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbon which has single bond between carbon atoms. Which is the simplest form of hydrocarbon? Methane, that is CH4. CH4 is the simplest form of hydrocarbon which has single bond between carbon and hydrogen atom. Which is the next member of alkane? Ethane. Ethane has two carbon atom with other hydrogen bond. So C2H6 is the formula of ethane. What is the general formula of alkane? Alkane general formula is CnH2n plus 2. When you see that alkane and alkane is the saturated hydrocarbon, alkane and alkane are unsaturated hydrocarbon. Here is the example of alkane, alkene and alkyne. So alkene has double bond, alkane has triple bond between the carbon atom. When you see this example of alkane, here first example C2H6, that is ethane. C2H6 is ethane. This is second member of alkane group which has covalent bond. It is a covalent compound. Around carbon 4 covalent bond is there. So if you see this ethane, how many bonds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bonds are present in ethane compound. 2 carbon atom. Name the hydrocarbon with 2 carbon atom which is the alkane group. Answer is ethane. Which is the first member with 1 carbon atom, that is methane. Next one is propane. C3H8. C3H8 is the third member of alkane, that is propane. What is the general formula of alkane? CnH2n plus 2. So when you see this, methane, ethane, propane are the homologous member of alkane group. What do you mean by homologous series? Homologous series is a compound series in which all the members have same functional group. All the members have same functional group. So each member of homologous system is differ from one CH2 unit. That is known as homologous series. A series of compound which have same functional group. Each member of one group will be differ in one CH2 unit. That is known as homologous series. When you see this alkane, first member CH4, next member C2H6, next member C3H8. So from CH4 to C2H6, one CH2 is differ. From next C2H6 to C3H8, another CH2 group is differ. So there is a difference between one homologous series to another homologous series is one CH2 unit. All those members have same functional group. What is functional group? Here the single bond is a functional group. Functional group is a group atom or group of atom which determine the property of the compound, that is known as functional group. Later on, next class we will see the functional group. Next member here, alkene. Alkene is a carbon compound which have double bond between the carbon atom is known as alkene. Next, alkyne. Alkyne, in between the carbon atom there is triple bond present in between the carbon atom, then it is known as alkyne. So when you see this first member of alkene is C2H4, that is C2H4 molecular formula. And how do we name this compound C2H4? How do we name the compound of alkane if it contains 2 carbon? We'll say that it is a ethane. Correct? So when it is ethane, it has single bond. If 2 carbon atom with a double bond, then it will be having another name. So naming the compound is known as nomenclature. So if it between 2 carbon atom, if double bond is present, we have to convert alkane to alkene. What is the different letter between alkane to alkene? A, correct? So in such a way, ethane is there, ETHANE with 2 carbon atom alkane. So we have to remove the A and we have to insert E in ethane. So ETHANE will change to ETHENE, ethene, that is ethene. So ethene is the unsaturated hydrocarbon with 2 carbon atom. Formula is C2H4. What is the next member? C3H6. C3H6. Next member here it is given. In that middle carbon only one hydrogen only will come. So you can remove that one hydrogen. So in middle carbon only one hydrogen will come. Okay. So CH2, CH, CH3. That is the formula for alkene of 3 carbon atom. So if 3 carbon atom is present means how do we name it? If 3 carbon atom is present in alkene group means we'll name it as a propane. So here how do we name it? PROPANE, propane. If it contains double bond, you have to remove A and we have to add the letter E. So propene. Propane converted into propene. PROPENE, propene. Propene is a hydrocarbon with 3 carbon atom with double bond. So alkene, here example which is given is ethene and propene. What is the general formula for alkene? CnH2n. CnH2n. Here first you take the example of ethene. Ethene has 2 carbon. So C2H2n. H is 2 into 2, that is 4. So hydrogen is 4. So general formula of alkane is CnH2n. Next one is alkyne. So what's the difference between this? Triple bond is present between the carbon atom. If triple bond is present between the carbon atom, then we say it is a alkyne. We say it is a alkyne. So alkyne has triple bond between the carbon atom C, triple bond C, and hydrogen is satisfied in 2 places. So which letter it is differ? Instead of A, we have to use Y. So single bond means A we will write, triple bond means Y. So ALKYNE, alkyne. ALKYNE, alkyne. So it is a 2 carbon atom. How do we name it? Ethyne. ETHYNE, ethyne. If it's a triple carbon atom, we will say propyne. PROPYNE. Did you understand that? This is the way we have to name the compound. If it contains single bond, alkane, ANE. If it contains double bond, alkene, ENE. If it contains triple bond, alkyne, YNE. This is the way we have to name the compound. So whenever you see that around the carbon there should be 4 bonds should be there. All the 4 bonds are covalent bond. So around the carbon 4 bonds are present. The 4 bonds are covalent bond. So this is the structure of first one is ethane, next propane, next ethene, propene, ethyne, propyne. These are the example of alkene, alkyne and alkane. Here when you see that root word, if it contain one carbon we say methane, if it contain two carbon we say it is ethane, if it contain three carbon we say it is propane. This is a root word plus suffix. If it is a single bond, ANE. If it is a double bond, ENE. If it is a triple bond, YNE, you have to add. And we have to see the number of carbon atom. If it one member means M. Two carbon atom means ethane. 3 means propane. So E pro. It comes in such a way. So that is the name, babe, we have to give the name. So if it contain 1, we say methane. 2 means ethane. 3 means propane. 4 butane. 5 pentane. 6 hexane. 7 heptane. 8 octane. 9 nonane. 10 decane. So when you see here 3 carbon atoms are present. So which letter we use? 3 carbon atoms are present, so we have to use propane, and we have to see whether single bond is there or double bond is there. Prop is the root word. It contains all single bond. So then we will write propane. Here when you see this carbon, single bond is present, one carbon is there, so meth is the root word. And next one, C double bond is present, and so we name it as a eth. What is the root word? Eth is the root word. So triple bond is present means which letter we have to add? Y and E. That also letter C. So root word plus suffix we have to add while write the name of the compound. So you have to learn this root word. For bond, double single bond means A and E, you have to add. Double bond means E and E letter you have to add. And if it is a triple bond, we have to add Y N E. You have to add the letters Y N E. So now could you name it? It is a single bond. So PROPANE, propane. And here it contains double bond is there. C, double bond C is there. So how to name it? E and E, propene. We have to name it as a propene because C double bond C is present. 3 carbon atom with double bond, it is known as propene. So remaining other place hydrogen will come, that you have to satisfy. Next example, C single bond other with hydrogen atom. So what is the root word? Meth. What is the suffix word? Single bond. So it is ANE. Methane. It is methane. So next 2 carbon atom is there. So what's the root word? Eth is the root word, and between the carbon atom there is a double bond is triple bond is present. So which letter we have to use? Y and E. Ethine. We have to use the letter ethine. So ETHYNE. Ethane is the compound which have double carbon atom with triple bond. So nomenclature will have root word and suffix. If you see this example, methane formula is CH4. All those 4 place what is present? Side carbon and hydrogen is present. If you remove one hydrogen, then the group is known as methyl group. Methyl group. CH4 is methane. CH3 is methyl alkyl group. CH3 is methyl alkyl groups. In such a way, for ethane also, ethane is C2H6, C2H5 is ethyl. Ethyl group we have to write in such a way. Next, could you write this name for the compound? C4H8. C4H8. First what we have to do? 4 carbon we have to write. And in between the 4 carbon, what bond will come? From this molecular formula we have to find. Here only 8 hydrogen atom is there. So 8 hydrogen atom, first you have to satisfy around the carbon. When you write around the carbon, when you 4 carbon you have to write, and one side hydrogen, another two side also hydrogen you have to write. And first we can check with this group, which group it belongs, we can check. C4, so N is equal to 4, H is 8, so CnH2n. So the which general formula it is applicable? CnH2n. CnH2n means what will be that? It will be a double bond. So alkene, it may be the alkene. C4H8, 4, so that but is the root word, 8 is there. So we know that it is alkene group. So what will come between those carbon? There will be a double bond present between the carbon atom. So we name it as a butene, and you can draw the structure also. C4, C6H14 and C9H16. You can write as a homework. Name the compound C6H14 and C9H16. You can write as a homework.